Your engine's worst enemies are hiding in plain sight. But today, I'm giving you 13 quick fixes that can save you thousands in repairs, boost performance instantly, and keep your car running like new. Miss even one of these, and your engine's lifespan could be cut in half. Trick number 13, the PCV Cleanse. The PCV, or Positive Crankcase Ventilation Valve, is a tiny $10 part that does a massive job, venting harmful gases from your crankcase and feeding them back into the engine to be safely burned. When it's clogged, pressure builds up, seals start leaking, and your engine wears out faster. Most drivers don't even know it exists, and dealerships rarely check it. To clean it, locate the PCV, usually on the valve cover or intake manifold. Pull it from the hose or grommet and shake it. If it rattles, it's flowing. If it doesn't, it's clogged. Spray carb or brake cleaner inside, let it sit, shake out the gunk, and let it dry before reinstalling. A clean PCV helps your engine breathe and prevents costly oil consumption issues. Trick number 12, the Spark Surge Protocol. Your ignition system is the heartbeat of your engine, and if it's weak, everything suffers. Throttle response, fuel economy, even cold starts. Waiting for the check engine light to warn you is a mistake. If your plugs have more than 30,000 miles on them, replace them. For older distributor systems, swap the cap, rotor, and wires, and use copper plugs. For waste spark setups, go with platinum or iridium. For coil-on-plug systems, stick with OEM iridium or upgrade to NGK ruthenium HX. These last over 100,000 miles and deliver consistent, powerful spark. I've seen fuel economy jump by 4 miles per gallon overnight just from a plug-and-wire refresh. Don't let a lazy spark rob your engine's performance. Trick number 11, Mass Airflow Sensor Wake-Up. The Mass Airflow Sensor, or MAF, is like your car's lungs. It measures how much air comes in, so the engine knows how much fuel to mix. When it's dirty, it starts guessing, and your car ends up running too rich or too lean. You'll feel jerky throttle, lose power, and burn more fuel. To clean it, locate it between the air filter box and throttle body, unplug it, and carefully remove it. Don't touch the delicate wires inside. Clean it with rubbing alcohol in a sealed bag, or use a dedicated MAF cleaner for best results. Let it air dry for 20 minutes before reinstalling. A clean MAF restores smooth throttle and keeps your fuel trim spot on. Trick number 10, Throttle Body Power Wash. Over time, carbon builds up on your throttle plate and housing, choking airflow and causing rough, idle, or uneven fuel trims. Many drivers don't touch it until 75,000 miles, but buildup can start as early as 30,000. To clean it, turn the engine off, disconnect the battery, and remove the intake hose. Spray real throttle body cleaner inside, let it soak, then gently scrub with a cloth or toothbrush. Never force the plate. Wipe away the sludge, let it air dry, then reassemble everything tightly. This quick job restores crisp throttle response and stable idle, and it can save you from expensive drivability issues down the road. Trick number 9, the Air Filter Fix. Your engine breathes air just like you, and when the air filter is clogged, it's like trying to run with a pillow over your face. Power drops, throttle response suffers, and fuel economy tanks. Contrary to popular belief, a dirty filter doesn't trap more dust. It just chokes the engine. To check it, open the air cleaner box, pull the filter, and inspect it. If it's gray, dusty, or full of debris, replace it. Use the correct size so it seals properly. Don't jam it in. Replace every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or sooner in dusty conditions, to keep your engine breathing freely and performing at its best. Trick number 8, Injector Mist Reset. Fuel injectors are designed to spray a fine mist for perfect combustion. But after 30,000 miles or so, varnish and carbon buildup start disrupting the spray pattern. The result? Poor power, rough idle, and inefficient fuel burn. You can start simple with a quality fuel system cleaner like Seafoam or Techron. Run it through a low tank of gas to clear light deposits. For heavier buildup, you'll need a pro shop to clean them using a pressurized rail kit. Cleaning your injectors every 30,000 to 40,000 miles keeps your engine running like new and saves you from the $900 cost of replacing them prematurely. Trick number 7, Carbon Exorcism Method. Carbon buildup doesn't just make your engine dirty. It robs horsepower, kills mileage, and makes the car feel sluggish. Light buildup can be tackled with a good fuel additive like Seafoam or Techron. Add it to a nearly empty tank, fill up, and drive it hard to burn off deposits. But for heavy buildup, especially on direct injection engines, you'll need walnut blasting, where crushed walnut shells are used to scrub the intake valves without damage. This isn't optional for long-term performance. Clean valves mean better airflow, more power, and a smoother running engine. Trick number 6. The Octane Armor Rule. Let's kill a common myth. Premium gas doesn't give you extra horsepower unless your engine is designed for it. What matters is using the correct octane rating for your car. Lower octane than recommended can cause detonation, where fuel ignites too early, creating violent pressure spikes that can damage pistons, rods, or even crack cylinder walls. Always follow your manual and stick to top-tier fuels that contain detergents to keep injectors and valves clean. The right octane keeps your engine safe, smooth, and efficient. Trick number 5. Synthetic Oil Shield Routine. Oil is your engine's lifeblood, and synthetic oil offers the best protection, especially during cold starts when most engine wear occurs. It flows faster, clings better, and resists breakdown under heat. Stick to the correct viscosity. If your car needs 5W30, don't cheap out with 10W40. Change it every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, especially if you do short trips or heavy traffic driving. Bonus tip: if your oil filter mounts upright, pre-fill it before installing. If not, disable the fuel pump and crank the engine for a few seconds after an oil change to build pressure before firing up. These small steps dramatically extend engine life. Trick number 4. Thermostat Timing Fix. Your thermostat controls coolant flow and keeps the engine in its optimal temperature range. If it sticks shut, you overheat fast. If it sticks open, the engine runs cold, burns more fuel, and wears out quicker. Replace it every 4 to 5 years with OEM parts. Cheap aftermarket ones often fail early. Many modern cars use electronically controlled thermostats, which are precise but more fragile, so keep them on a strict replacement schedule. It's a $25 part that can save you thousands in head gasket or engine repairs. Trick number 3. Radiator Cap Replacement. Your radiator cap isn't just a lid. It's a pressure regulator that keeps coolant from boiling. A weak cap loses pressure, lowering the boiling point from 267 degrees Fahrenheit to just 212 degrees Fahrenheit, which can trigger overheating. The fix is simple. When the engine is completely cold, remove the old cap and replace it with a new one that matches the exact PSI rating stamped on the original. It's a 5-minute, $10 fix that can prevent catastrophic engine damage. Trick number 2. Coolant Compatibility Code. Coolant isn't universal. Using the wrong type can cause corrosion, blockages, and even cracked heads. Always use the exact coolant your manufacturer specifies, and mix it with distilled water if diluting. Tap water contains minerals that can cause scale and overheating. Many coolants last up to 7 years or 150,000 miles. But if you're topping up, check the reservoir for debris or color changes. Wrong coolant can silently destroy your engine over time. Trick number 1. Radiator Flush Protocol. Coolant breaks down just like oil, and when it does, corrosion takes over. Flushing the radiator every 30,000 to 60,000 miles removes contaminants, restores cooling efficiency, and prevents overheating. Signs you need a flush include a sweet smell from the engine bay, frequent overheating, gurgling noises on startup, or discolored coolant. Don't wait until damage is done. A proper flush is cheap insurance against a multi-thousand-dollar repair bill. Over time, your engine coolant breaks down and loses its ability to protect your engine from heat and corrosion. Old coolant turns acidic, forming rust and sludge that clog the radiator and heater core. The result? Overheating, poor performance, and even a blown head gasket. That's why flushing your radiator every 30,000 to 60,000 miles is critical. A proper flush removes old coolant, dirt, and contaminants, allowing your engine to stay cool and efficient. Watch for warning signs: a sweet smell from the engine bay, frequent overheating, or discolored coolant. These all mean it's time. Use distilled water and the manufacturer's recommended coolant for refilling. Never tap water. If you made it this far, your car already thanks you. But you're not done yet. Click right here for my next video, where I'll show you the hidden maintenance tricks that even most mechanics won't tell you. Trust me, your wallet will thank you later.